AI has beaten human champions in Go, poker, and the video game Dota 2, and has become so powerful that it learns chess in 4 hours and plays invincibly against humans. But it's not just games that it excels at. In 2020, AI solved a 50-year-old riddle of biology called protein folding. The technology has surpassed humans in speech and object recognition, served up digital humans with uncanny realism in both appearance and speech, and earned passing marks on college entrance and medical licensing exams. AI is outperforming judges in fair and consistent sentencing, and radiologists in diagnosing lung cancer, as well as powering drones that will change the future of delivery, agriculture, and warfare. Finally, AI is enabling autonomous vehicles that drive more safely on the highway than humans. As AI continues to advance and new applications blossom, where does it all lead? In my 2018 book, AI Superpowers, China, Silicon Valley, and the New World Order, I addressed the proliferation of data, the new oil that powers AI. The United States and China are leading the AI revolution, with the United States leading research advances and China more swiftly tapping big data to introduce applications for its large population. In AI Superpowers, I predicted new advances, from big data-driven decision-making to machine perception to autonomous robots and vehicles. I projected that AI's new applications in digital industries, finance, retail, and transportation would build unprecedented economic value, but also create problems related to the loss of human jobs and other issues. AI is an omni-use technology that will penetrate virtually all industries. Its effects are being felt in 4 waves, beginning with Internet applications, followed by applications in business, for example, financial services, perception, think smart cities, and autonomous applications like vehicles. By the time you hear this new book in late 2021 or beyond, the predictions I made in AI Superpowers will have largely become reality. We must now look ahead to new frontiers. As I've traveled the world talking about AI, I'm constantly asked, what's next? What will happen in another 5, 10, or 20 years? What will the future hold for us humans? These are essential questions for our moment in history, and everyone working in the technology space has an opinion. Some believe that we're in the midst of an AI bubble that will eventually pop, or at least cool off. Those with more drastic and dystopian views believe everything from the notion that AI giants will hijack our minds and form a utopian new race of human cyborgs to the arrival of an AI-driven apocalypse. These various predictions may be born out of genuine curiosity or understandable fear, but they are usually speculative or exaggerated. They miss the complete picture. Speculation varies wildly because AI appears complex and opaque. I've observed that people often rely on 3 sources to learn about it: science fiction, news, and influential people. In science fiction books and TV shows, people see depictions of robots that want to control or outsmart humans, and superintelligence turned evil. Media reports tend to focus on negative, outlying examples rather than quotidian incremental advances. Autonomous vehicles killing pedestrians, technology companies using AI to influence elections, and people using AI to disseminate misinformation and deepfakes. Relying on thought leaders ought to be the best option, but unfortunately, most who claim the title are experts in business, physics, or politics, not AI technology. Their predictions often lack scientific rigor. What makes things worse is that journalists tend to quote these leaders out of context to attract eyeballs. So it is no wonder that the general view about AI, informed by half-truths, has turned cautious and even negative. To be sure, aspects of AI development deserve our scrutiny and caution, but it is important